Okay, I've got another ukulele I'm going to introduce to you, but first, before I do that, this is one of my newest little friends, a UFO, very, very soft, cute as all get out. You can see the little landing legs here, kind of like an Adamski UFO image. This is from Squishable.com, which, granted, is a little bit of an odd name, but they have all sorts of ultra cute stuffed animals. Some of them are small that you can put on a keychain, some of them are this size, and there's some that are a lot bigger. So if you are into stuffed animals at all and you want some really cute stuff, go to Squishable.com. Okay, now as far as the ukulele goes, it is a Donner concert ukulele, green carbon fiber, 23-inch travel starter bundle kit with free online lessons, gig bag strap, nylon string tuner picks, cloth DCF 100 professional ukulele. And even this has a story to it. Originally, okay, I was watching a Rich Donner video. He's really an expert on ukuleles. And they had one that was $25, which was this one, on discount. And I wasn't too sure about it. So I waited. A couple days later, it was listed at $79.99, something like that. But the trick was there was a little space underneath the name coupon, 70% off. So the ukulele I'm going to show you, I got for $34. Now first, it came with a gig bag, which is a fairly decent one, tuner, strap, and the usual things that come with a ukulele. It also had its own strap, which I think fits this one kind of nicely. Let me take this off. And let's see, what else does it say about it? It is a one-piece carbon fiber design, made of carbon fiber, so on and so forth. It is a little heavy for the size, but I think it looks pretty interesting. Now, it is a green ukulele, but exactly what color it appears to be depends on the light. So if you're in a lot of light, it's green. This one, it's sort of it's sort of green, but going into the gray, and you work on it with it later at night without a whole lot of lights on, and it really looks great. It's got the normal hole here, but it also has a sound hole. And this part, which always looks to me like something tried to take a bite out of the ukulele, and this part of it always looks like something tried to gnaw its way out and escaped. It has a little bit of a round here, and it has the side little markers here, the normal type pegs up at the top. Like I said, this is the strap that came with it, which I think is fairly decent. It has two strap holes here and here. And I'll just do something very brief and then say a few more words about it. Now, another part of the interesting thing was the price then after the coupon. Like I said, with the coupon I got it at $34, but then the coupon was dropped and it went up, and right now it is, let's see, $67.99. Now there's a different coupon today, which is what, 29th of March. Let's see, you get an extra $10 off. So that would make it $57.99. This is one of the things you keep an eye out for, these type of Amazon deals that have the little coupon thing underneath, because like I say, I got this at $34 with the gig bag, all the stuff that went with it, with the strap, and a decent, very decent ukulele, which to me sounds fine. So keep your eyes open for those kind of deals, and this is still, I think, worth it at the 67, which would be 57 after the discount.